Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at a debut model from a Canadian brand called VanBanner watches. The VBA0 is an everyday casual watch which is visible by the simplistic and easy to read design. After wearing this for a couple of weeks, one word pops out when trying to describe this thing, and that is balance. By balance, I mean actual weight distribution of the watch and bracelet. This thing is almost like a Mazda Miyota for your wrist. Due to a thin case that has a pretty low center of gravity due to lack of any kind of bezel, and a massive clasp that feels like it's the same weight as the watch, it wears more like a bracelet than a watch. Unlike top-heavy watches that will wobble and slide around your wrist, this one feels planted and incredibly balanced. Like I said, that is partly to a thin case but also lack of any bezel. Even dressy watches usually have a fixed bezel around the crystal, as most modern watches are done with a three-piece construction: a caseback, a center case, and a bezel of some sort. With this being a two-piece construction, having only the caseback and the center case from which the double-domed Sapphire protrudes directly. It not only helps the already mentioned balance, but also gives a bit of a 70s vibe to the design. The colorway of the collection is also screaming 70s, with a vibrant purple, deep blue, and this dark green dial options. Although the purple one seems to be the most popular, constantly being sold out, it is a bit too much for my taste, so I do prefer this green one. The green is deep with a nice sunburst effect, playing with the light as you move the watch around and creating a nice contrast to the simple stick markers and these sword hands. All the markers and hands are highly polished, and the polishing and overall the finish of everything on this watch is pretty good with no visible scratches or blemishes. Overall, the watch is very well built, including the bracelet and clasp, giving a high quality feel to it. The movement used is a Miyota 9039, a true no-date movement, meaning you don't have a ghost position of the crown like when brands use regular date movements and simply cover up the date. This gives a more bespoke feel to the watch, and I like it. The movement beats at 28,800 bph and comes with both hacking and hand winding while having 42 hours of power reserve. The full retail price is what you would expect from a microbrand with similar specs at $518 US. But currently they have a sale until the end of June, so until tomorrow, that cuts that price in half to just $260, which makes it a bargain. VanBanner's first model is a bit risky, as the simplicity can make it look bland and boring to some people. But in my opinion, the quality and value more than make up for it, and this simplistic design will most definitely age better than something wild and unusual. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.